今天，科沃斯正在用创新改变着许多家庭的生活方式。机器人本身是一个非常复杂的产品，所以它就更加需要具有包容性。每一个使用科沃斯产品的用户都应该能够感受到简单、轻松、愉悦，让机器人产品真正融入家庭，成为每一个家庭的一部分。
We were very excited when we received ECOVACS's invitation to join hands to design this new generation of products. In fact, we have been making strides in the field of smart robotics. For over 60 years, YIKO Design has often been approached and asked to define and visualize what the future may look like. Empowered by ECOVACS's cutting-edge technology, we were able to visualize new products for a new era of home living. We sought to present them in their ideal form. We don't just design objects, we design experiences. We look at our products as works of art because users will live with them.
So through extensive research and a state-of-the-art design process, we're able to create a product that is both elegant and efficient. Every detail is so carefully considered and reworked over and over again. All this effort is part of our own process in our own pursuit of perfection. We take great pride in that so many of our initial thoughts, ideas, and aspirations made it all the way into production. I'm certain that D-Bot will improve the home environment for so many families.
每一个时代都会有属于自己的产品，科技的进步、生活的发展、审美的变化，都会在产品当中体现出来。而机器人是属于这个时代的产品，它也属于未来每一个家庭。科沃斯坚信这一点，所以我们一直都在最前沿探索。我们这次所带来的产品是科沃斯实践自己产品理念的最好证明。我们也真诚地邀请所有人和科沃斯一起来展开对于未来家庭无限的想象。